Hey everybody, Right Polo Tech here. In this video, I'm going to do a review and test of the Terro Fruit Fly Trap kit. So let me show it to you here. So if you're like me, you like to keep fresh fruit around. Like I have nectarines here and apples here, but I get fruit flies. And we know they don't live very long, but they multiply very quickly. So I went and I got this product and I'm gonna give it a try here. Now you can also do it on your homemade version, which I had done for a while, but I wanted to try this product out. But the homemade version, basically, you just take a coffee cup, saran wrap, punch little tiny holes in the top of it, put apple cider vinegar inside it, and just a drop of dish soap. And that can be a homemade version, but I didn't really like the idea of having dead flies in my coffee cups. I know I wash them and everything, but I just didn't like having them in there. So I wanted to find a product that I could use pretty much exclusively for fruit flies. So this is what I found. So I'm going to go ahead and set it up. Let me show you here real quick what's inside the box. So you have a jar of the solution, and you get 2 of these little plastic apple looking things. Now it has the same concept as what I told you with the coffee cup, saran wrap and everything else. It's got little holes in the top here, and you take this solution and you empty half of the bottle into the center hole here, and you leave it for up to 45 days, and you can, hopefully it catches its fruit flies. We're gonna give it a try here, but I also wanna show you that you can pop the lid off, rinse it out, and refill it again. Now, like I said, if you don't want to buy Terro's solution, then you can just use your own solution, but use this little apple over again. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and set this up here and give it a try. Put the bottle in the center hole here and fill it up, emptying half of the bottle's contents. All right, so that looks like about half the bottle's contents. And you can also see here that the solution is up to roughly the top of that hole right there, or that little visual space right there. All right, so now I'm gonna move it over here near my fruit, and I'm gonna let it sit. All right, so after 6 hours, I wanna check and see how it's doing. I don't know if you can see that. Oh yeah, you can. So I've got at least 3 fruit flies in there right now after just 6 hours. So I'm pretty happy about that. Seems to be working, but I'm gonna leave it and check back. One thing I will say, it smells exactly like apple cider vinegar to me, the solution. I don't know exactly what they use in their solution, but I'll tell you what, that's exactly what it smells like to me. All right, so before I started the camera here, I unpopped the lid here just so I could do it, because I couldn't do it one-handed and hold it. But as you can see here, after 6 days, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a little tiny one there makes 6 fruit flies. And also, I haven't seen any flying around, so that may be all of them. So, yeah, that's I'm pretty impressed with it. I like it. It seems to be doing what it's supposed to be doing here, and I like the fact that we can pour this out, clean it out, put apple cider vinegar in there, and it's a little tiny dab of dish soap, and reuse this. So I do like that. All right, so there you have it. I feel like it did a pretty good job. I haven't seen any fruit flies in my house at all anymore, so I'm pretty happy with the product. And I like the fact that you can reuse the little plastic apple over and over again with either their solution or your own solution. I like the fact that I don't have to use my coffee cup and have dead bugs in a coffee cup of mine, but I know I can wash it, but I just don't like the idea of bugs in my coffee cup. So anyways, guys, if you like this video, please hit that like button for me. Also subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. And I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.